Next time I'm going to hire a professional.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Obviously. We are on our way to my friend Joseph's house. He is having a brand new kitchen installed. So what we are going to do is go through all of his old cabinets. Joseph!
Why are you yelling?
Why aren't you out here helping? Look at you standing there.
Helping do what?
And look at all the stuff we're lugging in. Did you get me those bins?
I got trash bags.
That's all you had to get. I asked for steel wool, not sponges.
Look at. Can't believe we're not drinking. Am I getting a bill for all this? You want some anchovy paste?
Bowel prep kit. What's that?
Yeah, that
like
was
a
when I had a
laxative?
colonoscopy. It's extra in case I needed to have another one.
Really? And you kept it in your kitchen
Well,
cabinet?
I guess I did.
A bowel prep kit?
We're like a brother and sister. It's unbelievable.
We're donating that TV, did you say?
No, we're not donating. It just isn't plugged in yet.
I said it doesn't work.
It does work.
Joe, do you have any dirt on Anita?
How much time you got?
Do you use this? Or was
I
this
do.
a gift
It's it keeps the tea hot. You put a little tea.
So do you
tea
actually
light.
use it,
No,
or
the
can I
tea
put it
light
in that
goes in a
closet?
teapot.
Get out lifting it.
I'll lift it.
Ow! It's my hair!
Oh, we overstuffed it.
No, you got the stupid cheap garbage bags.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. It was transformed. I mean, my cabinets were cleared, countertops were cleared, everything was organized. Things that needed to be in its place were in its place. I was actually shocked. We Heave Ho!
What is that? Oh, whey protein so he can work out?
That's why he's
Yeah.
got the bowel prep kit after drinking this whole friggin' thing.
What does that do? What do you do?
It's for a colonoscopy. How
Oh.
old are you? You've never, you haven't had one yet.
Yeah, I should probably get one soon though.
You're too young.
Yeah, maybe I can use that. Maybe we should keep
You're
it.
too young. Oh yeah, wait till you get that. It's great. It's like spring cleaning for your body.
Okay.
It's pretty gross.